Hello everyone, welcome back to Lindsay's Builds. So I thought we'd do a little video. The second purchase I bought arrived this morning, and it's the Fifth Element Mondoshawan base from Cosmic Models, £20 1/16 scale, and it's for my Mondoshawan. So yeah. So we'll take a little look inside the box, see what you get. I have already opened this to have a look to see if it wasn't broken. So this is the right hand side of it. It's got some nice hieroglyphics in it. So it's done in cream. Needs quite a bit of tidying up, especially on the joins where it joins together. It's quite it's going to need a lot of cleaning. The hieroglyphics are quite deep, so it's a little bit to clean out there in one of the hieroglyphics, so this will be fun. So that's one part of it. Then we go into the actual bottom of the base, which is like stone effect. I think it could have done with a bit more kind of roughishness on the stones. It's quite smooth and plain. There's quite a bit of tidying up to do around the back here. It's quite thick in flash, well, resin flash, and it has quite bubbled actually in there. A lot of bubble holes in the resin, but hopefully that doesn't cause a problem. But yeah, so that's the bottom of the base. Then there's the main back wall as well. Loads of hieroglyphics, or whatever they're called. There's still a lot of flash, needs a lot of tidying up. So, but yeah, overall I am pleased with it. At least it came all in one piece. So that's Cosmic Scale Models. This is where I bought it from. So yeah. So we'll do a little mock-up on it. I'm not going to be able to fit them right in properly because, like I say, it needs a lot of clean-up. So let's just bring that camera up a bit. See, these all slotting together like that. So just like that. Oh, they slot in. So yeah, it's a nice tidy little base, and then your little Mondoshawan goes inside. I did break a piece off there, so I've made a new one, and just got to glue it on now. So that gives you kind of idea how that's going to go. So I'm quite looking forward to doing this. So yeah, be another one to my sci-fi collection, I should say, really. Yeah. So that's the Cosmic Scale Models Mondoshawan diode base from Cosmic Models. So I think a lot of people have heard of them. So thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I will see you on the next one. So yeah, I might put a few videos out when I'm working on this. So yeah, so we'll see you for now. Bye bye everyone, and see you on the next video. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.